I will unpack a kit for everyone, the M1-Tactical.45 produced by ERZA. This kit was purchased by a friend of me from an online store in mainland China. It cost about 1,000, which is 1,600 Hong Kong dollars. The price is very expensive, but it doesn't matter as long as it's worth the price. This product has a total of 6 colors divided into 3 color systems: black, gray, and slate. However, only black is currently available. There are slide inner and outer tube, recoil rod, front and rear side, and air cavity seat in this kit. The outer tube and recoil rod are made of steel, and the rest are made of aluminum alloy. The steel parts have high quality material and feel, but the aluminum parts feel very light and fragile. The material of slide is black matte, and the lettering is clear. The file type of the slide is Tokyo Marui Ops-Tactical.45. You can search it on Google, and it can be seen that the degree of reduction is pretty good. The slide comes with an anti-hanging reinforcement, increasing service life. There are lightweight air cavity seats, but no air cavity and darts. We can see .45 lettering on outer tube can be split into 4 parts. It's easy to install and maintain. You can install a silencer or suppressor. If you don't need it, you can wear a flasher protective cap. Recoil rod is double-ended. You can choose according to your needs. The attached parts are the accessories of slide, including green optical fiber and simulated firing pin. There is also a part, I don't know its name. It's the result of a zapping after a period of running. It can be used normally. The gas I use is mixed refrigerant. The temperature in column is 26 degrees and it can be fired normally. Due to legal reasons, it's a pity that the kit is not available in mainland of China. For the higher price, high strength aluminum alloy is not used. The use of high pressure gas or long-term use may reduce the lifespan. It's recommended that you purchase it carefully.